Hey guys, I want to do a video tonight on the trend scalper. So we are going to be pairing the trend scalper tonight up with exhausted volume. I recommend that you draw levels on your chart with this as well. I was thinking about putting my moving averages up here and showing you how great of levels they are with this strategy, but I decided let's just keep it really simple tonight. Let's just two indicators without a level for you to see how beautiful volume is in your trading. For all of you that do not use volume in your trading, make sure you stop that right away and make sure you start using volume in your trading. And this indicator from Mr. Z is an awesome opportunity to do so. It does the work for you. Yellow means that we have exhausted volume to the top side. Red here means we have exhausted volume to the downside. All right. The trend scalper is on default. The exhausted volume is on default. So you just throw this on your chart, throw it on your chart. Now, the way this is going to work is for the trend scalper, I don't care about the background. I don't care about these diamonds. I don't care about these triangles. You could take them all off if you want to. All I care about is this red and green line. That's it. All I'm going to be looking at is this red and green line. So let's do it. When I see this red, I'm looking for green. So here, let's make it real easy. Let's turn this stuff off. Turn off triangle, turn off color. Come down here and turn off the impulses. There we go. All right. So we got yellow to the upside, so that means I'm looking for red. So there's red. Let me go ahead and do, red. So let me do a vertical line. Boom. So again, exhausted volume to the top side, wait for red. Boom. There you go. So you enter 736 down to 706. That's a 30-point trade. Let's do another one. We have exhausted volume 2 times down to the downside. Turns green right here. Click it. Nice drift up. All right. So nice trade there again. Now we have red volume, or I'm sorry, yellow candle right there. So we're looking for red. There's our red. Boom. So there's 3 winners right there in a row. We got to come across some losers hopefully soon. Here's red, and red turns green here. So here this should be a nice loss. Finally. Yeah, I mean 707 comes down to 704, then it comes back up to 715, 714, and then finally goes down. So you can say that's a break even or a small loss or a very, very small win. So far we've done 4 trades. We've had 3 nice ones with very little drawdown whatsoever. And then we've had one where you might have got out, might be a loss. We can just count it as a loss. Let's do a couple more here. So when it's green, or sorry, when it's yellow, I'm looking for it to go down. So yellow, 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 yellow. There's our red. So we can go ahead and highlight that. All right. So again, our entry is at 53. Let's see what happens here. It goes up to 55. And then it wicks all the way down to 30. So this is a 20-point trade before it skyrockets up. So it's either you got 20 points, right, or you got a loss. So again, all I'm doing is showing you this indicator with volume and how nicely it plays. There's a lot more moving pieces to this. You know, again, if we put my moving averages that I teach on this, it would be great. The way you draw levels would be awesome. Like, you don't really need, you just need to have solid levels on your chart and you'll be good to go. But this is showing you a very nice way to have a trigger. A very, very nice trigger. Let's see, needs another one. We couldn't do this long because we were looking at all the yellows, but here's the red, right? So we have red here, and we get a green. So there's our loss. All right, so we'll put a little line there. All right, so that one's a loss. All right, what else do we have? Here's a yellow one, turns red right here. Price goes from 32 up to 40 and then down to 16. So depending on if you put your stop at the previous high, you win. If you had a smaller stop, you lost. All right, here's a red one right here, so we look for green. There we go. There's our green right there. And we get in, it goes from 63 up to 75 before going down. and giving us a drawdown of 5 points, because we get in around 57, 59, around there, and then boom, up it goes. So we can say that's, again, it's going to be different for everybody depending on our risk management, guys. But again, I hope you see that even with this, it's a good trigger. The trend scalper is definitely Mr. Z's fastest oscillator, I would say. Here's one right here. It's yellow. We wait for it to be red, and there we go. And down it goes. And now we just, here's red, here's red, here's red, here's red. You got to wait for green. There's green, and you can get in again. And you can see when you get in, it comes down 85. It comes down about 10 points, 10 to 12 points, and then boom, then it goes up. All right, so just using these two indicators, you can get some awesome entries. Just imagine if you waited for it to be around key levels for you. This could be an awesome trigger. I hope you really, really enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make another trend scalper video. I can definitely do that. Also, let me know in the comments of any, Zeiierman trading Mr. Z indicators that you would like me to make videos on. Yeah, I would love to hear it. But I hope you benefit, you like this video on the trend scalper, and I can definitely make more. There's so many indicators, so many great indicators on the Zeiierman trading list that the combinations are endless. It's just really all about what type of trader are you? Pullback trader, breakout trader with the trend, or contrarian trader. You can't go wrong with the list. So we just have to find the right combo for you. So, and if you need help finding that combination, or if you are interested in learning more about trading, book a discovery call with me. It's free, and we can sit down and talk over Google Meets, and either talk about how my mentorship works for you and how I can make you a better trader. And also really my group, the students inside the mentorship just are blowing me away with their knowledge as well. So it's really a nice community full of very, very focused traders. It's exciting. But I can also for free, help you find some combinations of indicators that can help you out as well. But this is a really nice combo. I hope you enjoy this one. And again, in the comments, please let me know what other indicators you want me to look at, or if you'd like me to make another indicator on the trend, or another video on the trend scalper, I can definitely do that as well. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.